Hello everyone, today I will show you how to clean and maintain your e-bike from Ninebot F2 Plus. I've got F2 Plus here for around 9 months, and today I'll just show you what you should do and how to clean it, how to perform some maintenance, especially after driving during the dirty roads or during the rain. As you see here, my bike looks pretty dirty here, and of course to keep it all the time this way is not the best way. So I will show you how I usually clean, what I use, and especially for brakes. You can hear the sound of brakes, I guess. Okay, let me put closer the microphone. You can just listen to the sound of brakes, which is awful. So basically that's the sound, that's how the brake sounds right now. Also there is some noise while I'm driving, I will show you later. You hear some noise from the back wheel here, as its engine located here, electric engine. So you hear some noise coming out of this hole. So also I will show you how to keep it on a good conditions. Actually, what you need for this, so you need some brake cleaner, any company. I have this one called Formula XT, but you can just Google any brake cleaner. Secondly, you need some silicone spray. So actually this thing is needed to be added here. Also I can show you later on how to maintain it properly, and also some napkins and some sort of cotton that you can use. Alright, so let me install the camera. Okay, so let's go step by step. So firstly, what you need to do is to clean your scooter from the top. So actually you don't need to use even wet napkins, just a dry one, and clean it properly from everywhere here. So let's start from the top. It's very simple, just to put all the dust out. So I don't clean it fully usually, just put the dust, and it's more than enough to keep it clean and not to add any water here. So basically, when you do the cleaning, here you can do this way to put all the dust out of your bike. The main dust collected here, you see, but it's very simple to put it out. Just you should be sure that there is no dust left on your scooter. So let's move on. Here's the wheel. So just for the first step, okay, let me set up the camera. Just put all the dust out, just one by one. Here a bit, from other side, everywhere. Just get rid of the dust. Also, wheel itself need to be cleaned. Alright, now let's do the next step. So you need to put your scooter on one of the sides. Do it this way. Do it this way very carefully. Just put it like this. Then you will see how dirty it is here. So you see everything is really dirty. And just clean from this side. Alright, this step is done. Then the next step, you need to find some books or something else to put it under your bike to keep it up. So we will We'll maintain first the engine itself, and I will show you the sound right now and how to properly get rid of the sound. So I have some boxes, or you can use some other things like books. So I'll make it this way. I'll show you and just put it up. I don't know whether you see it right now. That's how it looks like right now. So pretty stable. Then I will show you the noise. So let me turn on the scooter. Firstly, I put on echo. So you see my phone. I'm connecting to the scooter right now. Let's wait. All right, it's connected. Then need to start speed. Set to 0 kilometers per hour. You see here. Then I will show you the next step. So you hear this noise. Let me just show you near the microphone. Just sound of the wheel, but when you move your bike, you hear this noise all the time. When you just go somewhere and the bike turn off, this noise will come all the time. So how to get rid of this noise? Basically, that's why we need firstly the brake cleaner. So let's add a bit of brake cleaner here from both sides. Not that many, just a bit. Then let's turn on the maximum. Let's unlock. Put to speed. And now when you press go, at the same time use the brake cleaner like this. One side, another side. You can do it one more time. Okay, that's it. Then you can use some dry napkin to clean it out. What's left here? Just clean all this engine. From both sides. Okay, from one side, second side, it's clean. Should dry a bit, and then use silicone spray. First, just put a bit from two sides. Then turn on the maximum speed, 33. Then spray a bit. And just need to wait a bit. Let's set to eco mode and let's go with a small speed. And try by yourself, go further. So actually the noise become a bit less and should work properly now. Just do it several times, add more spray. So after I finish, take a dry napkin again and need to just all the sprays that left just spray around the wheel. It actually will make it shine first, and secondly, when you touch it, it will be not as dirty as it now. As you see, looks good. The napkins looks really dirty. That's how it's supposed to be. And same from other side, exactly the same way. Make it protected and looks better. Okay, so the napkins is also done. Here you can clean if something left. Actually, from the back side, that's almost it. Again, unlock, turn on, just keep it for some time to make the spray goes inside the engine. Not the engine itself, but this mechanism that's located on the back wheel. Alright, from the front side, from the back side, actually that's it. So let's move to the front side. So the front side here, the brakes that are making noise, so we need again brake cleaner. Need to put it out again from your books that you put before. You can put books out. And for brakes cleaning, what you need? Actually napkins and a brake cleaner. Let me just move here. So firstly, what you are doing is just adding the brakes cleaner everywhere here. Just quite a bit of it. Or you can add more, up to you. Just a fine proper angle to fit. Okay, then what you need to do is just to move your wheel and clean this metal disc here. Just clean it and move all the time. So when you're sure that this metal plate is clear, metal brakes are clear, then what you need to do, just press. You see noise again, still the sound. So you need just to work a bit around and click all the time, click the brakes, then click the brakes, then click the brakes. And I will put mic here so you can see it here. You don't have this noise anymore. A bit left, just a bit, but to remove it fully, you just need to repeat again this procedure. So let's repeat this procedure again. Add some brake cleaner. And again test the brakes. You can just push the brakes a bit and move further and back, then full brakes, then press a bit, just like brakes cleaning. Alright, so for brakes that's it. Also the stopper can be cleaned. It's also getting some dust. We just put a bit of cleaner and clean all the left with the napkins. That's actually very simple, like this. And for the brakes itself, the final step, just to clean it and wipe it together with the wheel with some just dry napkin. So all this mechanism, and actually no noise. Okay, now let's move out of dust here. Here should be done some cleaning. Let's move it back. Now you can hear no noise, almost no noise. Actually, this will become more quiet, as you hear. And actually it looks clean. Everything should work fine. The brakes should work fine. The engine should work fine. And then you can just charge it and store it at your house. Alright, for the review itself and for the how to do guidance, how to clean it properly, that's pretty much it. In case you have some questions, as I'm driving the scooter for around 9 months and for more than 1000 kilometers, maybe you still have some questions, just put it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.